Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, slightly damp skin to maximize penetration. After cleansing, pat your face until barely damp. This helps humectants like Betine and vegan Mucin work. Dispense 2-3 drops or a pea-size amount into your fingertips. Then, press the product into cheeks, forehead, and neck using gentle outward pats. Don't rub aggressively. Once done, wait 30-60 seconds so the essence binds to moisture before layering. This step locks hydration and primes skin for following treatments. Once the essence has absorbed, you continue by layering compatible serums. Make sure to wait 30-60 seconds and check that there's no sticky residue. If you use water-based serums like hyaluronic acid or antioxidant vitamin C, apply them now. They'll work synergistically with Betine's hydration. Avoid sealing with heavy occlusives until later because they can trap unabsorbed product. If you plan retinoids, test first on a small area and introduce gradually to minimize irritation. This balances efficacy with comfort. You finish by sealing hydration. Apply your moisturizer over the essence, then sunscreen during the day. This locks in benefits and protects barrier function. Use the essence once or twice daily depending on skin tolerance. If redness or sensitivity appears, cut back to every other day. If you notice pilling, make sure layers are fully absorbed and reduce product amounts. Try applying essence to damp skin only. One troubleshooting tip: if irritation persists, stop use and consult a dermatologist to check for ingredient sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.